What if you can pay off your car with trading profits? That might sound unrealistic, but that is exactly what I did. And today I want to share the real story behind it and why this win felt a lot more incredible than any of the bigger trades that I've actually taken. When some people think of trading, they think of really big moves and a whole lot of risk, when in reality, it's nothing like that. But for me, trading was always about freedom. It was about paying down debt, reducing stress, and then basically just having more options for myself. Paying off my car was proof to me that trading can be sustainable. Trading can be something that could help me live a better life, or the life that I really want. I had a car loan just like most people. I was making payments every month, and then it was also something that was just another bill. It was definitely a weight on my shoulders, just like a lot of you may be feeling right now. And for this particular car, I actually started off leasing, where it sounded like a great idea in the beginning because I thought I wanted to get a new car afterwards. But when I was ready to turn in the car, I realized that I was basically giving them a new car. I had used way less miles than they thought that I would use in that time period, and I didn't really feel like giving them a new car, and I didn't want to go into more debt getting a brand new car, especially since the car that I have is a luxury car and I still wanted to enjoy the car that I currently have. So I ended up getting a car loan for the remaining balance. But when I started trading consistently in the gold market and some other markets, I realized that I could take some of these gains and put towards my car payment. And then that would allow me to be able to chip away at that loan much faster. I didn't try to get one really big trade to be able to pay off the car overnight. This was over time, very consistent and very steady. Every month I would put just a little bit more towards my car. If I had a really nice gain inside of the market, then sometimes I would make double payments on the car. And then of course that would pay it down a lot faster. But this whole process wasn't fast. It took some time, just like a lot of things do in life. At times when I was making profits from the market, I would take some of those profits, take them from my broker account, put them into my checking account, and then take those funds and apply them to the loan. And the best thing about it is that it worked. Over time, just kept doing that and just kept chipping away at that loan. The day I made that final payment on the car, it felt so good. And basically, I decided to finally pay off the car. I had a big day inside of a couple of different markets, so I closed out those positions and I was able to take a bulk of that money and put it onto the car in order to pay off the loan. But when it was all said and done, it was never really about the car. It was about freedom and the options that I now have because I have this additional income. So knowing that I used the skills in trading, took those skills, applied them to the market, and then was able to make a profit from that. That in itself is incredible because it wasn't just a one-time thing. I could do that over and over and over again and then pay off other things. Like now I'm using it to pay off some credit card debt. Next, it'll be my student loans, and then who knows what else. So if you want to learn how to trade in a way that supports your real life, your schedule, and your goals, my membership is where you can do that. We focus on consistency, real wins, and freedom goals like paying off your debt or being able to put money towards savings. And if you want that to be you, go ahead and check the links in the description box below so that way you can join us and be on your journey. And more videos for using trading on real life goals are coming. So if you want more of that type of content, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, where currently we post 3 times a week, and that is Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. So make sure you don't miss out on any of that content, and I'll see you there.